Welcome to YouTube channel. This is Pawan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, last section we discussed the envelope of the one parameter family of curves. Yeah, now we discuss the envelope of the two parameter family of curves, that is in the form of f of x comma y a comma b is equal to 0. Two parameters connected by a relation. Yeah, that is, find the envelope of the curve x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where ab is equal to x square, where c is the constant. Here x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation 1. The relation is ab is equal to x square is the equation 2. Here a comma b are the functions of t. Differentiate one partially with respect to t is minus x by a square dA by dt minus y by b square dB by dt equal to 0. Here negative sign is the both side common. You have to goes to right side, that is 0. Here equation 2, differentiate partially with respect to t, dA by dt into b plus a into dB by dt is equal to 0. That is equation 4. Here from 3 and 4, comparing 3 and 4, x by a square by b is equal to y by b square by a. Here summation rule, x by a by b plus y by ab is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal divided by ab plus ab. Here ab plus ab is equal to 2ab. Here from the relation, from the family of two parameter of the curve x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, you have to substitute 1 by 2ab. Here that is equal to 1 by 2c square. Here x by a by ab is equal to 1 by 2c square, y by b by ab is equal to 1 by 2c square. Here ab is the c square, both side cancel, that is y by b is equal to 1 by 2, x by a is equal to 1 by 2. Here a is the 2x, b is equal to 2y. You have to substitute in the relation 2x into 2y is equal to c square. Here 4xy is equal to c square is the required envelope of the given two parameter family of curve connected by a relation. Find the envelope of the curve x by a whole to the power of m plus y by b whole to the power of m is equal to 1 with connected by relation a power n plus b power n is equal to c power n, where c is the constant. Given x by a whole power m plus y by b whole power m is equal to 1 is the equation 1. The relation is a power n plus b power n is equal to c power n is equal to 2 is the equation. Differentiate one partially with respect to t is equal to, here x power m minus m by a power m plus 1 dA by dt, y power m minus m by b power m plus 1 dV by dt is equal to 0, equation 3. Differentiate 2 partially with respect to t is n into a power n minus 1 dA by dt plus n into b power n minus 1 dV by dt is equal to 0, equation 4. Here comparing the equation 3 and 4 is minus m x power m by a power m plus 1 by n power a minus 1 is equal to minus m y power m by b power m plus 1 by n into b power n minus 1. Here summation rule, your right hand side is x by a whole power m plus y by b whole power m by a power n by a power n plus b power n. Here that is equal to c power n. Yeah, this is this family of curve is equal to 1. Here 1 by c power n. Here this one can be written as x by x power m by a power m divided by a power n is equal to c power n. Here x power m by in cross multiplication c power n a power m plus n. Here a is equal to x power m by m plus n, c power n by m plus n. Similarly, b is equal to y power m by m plus n, c power n by m plus n. Here substitute these values in the relation of equation 2 is, we are getting this one. Here that is c power n by m plus n x power mn by m plus n plus c power m plus n into y power mn by m plus n is equal to c power n. Here that is equal to this one. Here simplify it, x power mn by m plus n plus y power mn by m plus n is equal to c power mn plus n square minus n by m plus n. Yeah, this is the required equation of the envelope of the family of two parameter curves connected by a relation. Here find the envelope of the ellipse having the axis of coordinates as the principal axis and some of their semi-axis are constant. Here sum of the semi-axis are equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That is the equation 1. Here sum of their semi-axis is, here a comma b are the semi-axis. Here a plus b is equal to constant c. Here differentiate one partially with respect to t is 2x square by a cube dA by dt plus 2y square by b square dv by dt is equal to 0. Here you have to simplify it, x square by a cube dA by dt plus y square by b cube dv by dt equal to 0. Differentiate 2 with respect to t is dA by dt plus dv by dt is equal to 0. Here from 3 and 4, comparing 3 and 4, here that is x square by a cube by 1, y square by b cube by 1 can be written as x square by a square by a, that is equal to y square by b square by b is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square by a plus b, that is equal to 1 by c. Here that is equal to x square by a square by a is equal to 1 by c, y square by b square equal by b is equal to 1 by c. Here that is equal to a is equal to x square c by whole power 1 by 3, b is equal to y square c whole to the power of 1 by 3. Here we are getting the a and b values. This a and b values substitute in the given relation. That relation is a plus b is equal to c. Here that is x square c power 1 by 3 plus y square c whole power 1 by 3 is equal to c. Here that is equal to c power 1 by 3 is the common in left hand side, that is goes to right hand side. Therefore x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to c power 2 by 3 is the required envelope of the equation of the connected by a relation a plus b is equal to c. Find the envelope of the straight line of the given length which slides with its extremities on two fixed straight lines at the right angle. Here from the figure, the right angle triangle, because the A, O, A, B are fixed. Here A is fixed at x-axis, B is fixed at y-axis. Here coordinates are A of a comma 0, B of 0 comma B. Here equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here the distance between this straight line is square root of a square plus b square, that is a fixed, that is square root of a square plus b square is equal to constant. Therefore squaring on both sides, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here we are getting the relation a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here two parameter family of curve is the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here we are getting the family of curve and a relation. Yeah, in these two equations, you have to eliminate the A and B. We are getting the envelope of the given family of curve. Differentiate 1 with respect to t of equation 1, that is minus x by a square dA by dt minus y by b square dv by dt is equal to 0. Therefore, x by a square dA by dt plus y by b square dv by dt is equal to 0. That is equation 3. Differentiate 2 with respect to t, that is 2a dA by dt plus 2b dv by dt is equal to 0. That is for a into dA by dt plus b into dv by dt is equal to 0. Here from 3 and 4, comparing 3 and 4, we are getting x by a square by a is equal to y by b square by b. Therefore, x by a square is equal to y by b square is equal to x by a plus y by b by a square plus b square, that is equal to 1 by c square. Therefore, x by a plus by a square is equal to 1 by c square, y by b square is equal to 1 by c square. Therefore, x by a cube is equal to 1 by c square. C square x is equal to a cube. That is, a is equal to c power 2 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3. Here y by b cube is equal to 1 by c square. C square y is equal to b cube. Here that is b is equal to x to the power of 2 by 3 into y to the power of 1 by 3. Here we are getting the a and b values. Here a and b have to substitute in the relation a square plus b square is equal to c square. And simplify it, we are getting x to the power of 2 by 3, y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to c to the power of 2 by 3. Yeah, this is the required envelope of the equation of the family of two parameter curve x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Connected by a relation a square plus b square is equal to c square. Find the envelope of concentric and coaxial ellipse of constant area. Equation of the ellipse is x square plus x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. The constant area is a into b is equal to c. Yeah, differentiate 1 with respect to t is minus 2x square by a cube dA by dt minus 2y square by b cube db by dt equal to 0. Yeah, both side negative is the minus 2 is the common, goes to right side, that is 0. Yeah, the remaining is x square by a cube dA by dt plus y square by b cube dv by dt equal to 0. Here similarly differentiate 2 with respect to t, that is b dA by dt plus a dv by dt is equal to 0. Here from 3 and 4, x square by a cube by b, that is equal to y square by b cube is equal to by a. Here x square by a square by ab is equal to y square by b square equal by ab, that is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square divided by 2ab, that is equal to 1 by 2c. Here you have to compare these two. X square by a square by c is equal to 1 by 2c. Both sides cc cancel, that is equal to x square by a square is equal to 1 by 2. Here a is equal to root 2x. Similarly, b is equal to root 2y. Substitute a comma b in 2, that is equal to root 2x root 2y is equal to c. 2xy is equal to c. Here this is the required equation of the envelope of the family of the curve connected by a relation AB is equal to C. Here the ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. AB is equal to C is the relation. Its envelope is 2xy is equal to C.